subhanahu wa ta'ala, generous time that Hazrat has given me, I need your cooperation, inshallah. When I deliver bayan, it's my adat, I like to interact with my crowd. And mashallah, you brothers are showing extreme and great passionate jazbat. I grew brothers from Birmingham today. Allah bless my brother Harun Iqbal who brought me here today with a long and happy life. You know, let me tell you something. We deliver speeches in Birmingham, in Manchester, in Bradford. There are a lot of mehfils there. But you know what their understanding is? That the London mehfils are very low. They say London jazba is very low. You know, what I'm seeing here today, this is better than majority of mehfils I've been to in North. Just to prove this, I will read one kalam, which is very famous kalam in Milad. I want every single person to join with me.